In today's video, we are going to do a real coding comparison between Claude and ChatGPT. Both are powerful AI tools and many developers use them daily, but the real question is which one actually performs better for front-end coding. To test this properly, I'll give the exact same prompt to both Claude and ChatGPT and ask them to create an e-commerce app home screen using only HTML and CSS. I'll let them generate the code live without any edits or explanations from me, so you can clearly see the difference in code quality, layout structure, styling, and overall design. This is a pure hands-on comparison, so stay till the end to see which AI does a better job for developers. So that was a live comparison between Claude and ChatGPT for front-end coding using the same prompt and the same requirements. You saw how each AI handled layout structure, styling, responsiveness, and overall design approach for an e-commerce home screen using only HTML and CSS. Now I'd really like to know your opinion. Which one did a better job in your view, Claude or ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more developer focused content, and I'll see you in the next one.